So, is your person giving you hot and cold behavior? Sometimes all they care about is you, but on the other times they act as if you do not exist, and you are unable to understand what is causing this hot and cold behavior, and you would like to fix it so that they are always hot for you. Then today's video is just for you. In today's video, we are going to dive into what causes hot and cold behavior, how to remedy that, and how to have your specific person's attention on you so that you can be together with your person and have a happy, healthy, and abundant relationship with your partner, with your desired partner. And this will work for you no matter what your situation is. You could be in a no contact situation, you could be just getting to know this person, but you're not in too much contact, or whatever your situation is, this is going to work for you. So let's dive in. Hello everyone, I am Neha Kumar, and on this channel, my mission is to help all of you guys become masters at manifesting your dream reality. So, subscribe if you would like that. Hit the bell icon when you do subscribe, and let's dive in. What causes this hot and cold behavior? Listen, guys. In manifestation, there's one thing that you need to absolutely know, that the 3D reality is simply a reflection of your inner world. So, if your partner or your specific person or whoever it is that you're trying to manifest, this even applies to a job, a business partner, your clients, whoever it is, any specific person, it doesn't just have to be romantic, any specific person that you are trying to manifest who's giving you this hot and cold behavior, you have to understand that in manifestation, which means in life in general, your 3D reality and the way others behave with you is simply a reflection of your inner world. It has nothing to do with them. There's this whole thing about free will, but free will is literally people making choices based on their inner programming, their beliefs and assumptions, and your beliefs and assumptions about yourself, right? So others will behave with you in a way that is consistent with what you believe and assume to be true about them. Okay, nobody has free will. This whole world works on beliefs and assumptions that are held by people. So your specific person has no choice but to behave with you in a way that is consistent with your beliefs and assumptions. So if you would like to change their behavior towards you, if you would like to make them be hot with you all the time, you have to understand that all you have to do is go inwards, cut the 3D off. You can do a small meditation, but this has to be done because until and unless your internal belief and assumptions about this person, your internal thoughts and visualizations about your person don't change, they will not change and they will continue to give you hot and cold behavior because that's what's going on. Why does this happen? Let me give you a real world example. Why does this happen? So, you started manifesting a person, and for the first 3 days, because like that's the average amount of time any person who gets into manifestation will, with their full, belief, faith, and discipline, work with the manifestation technique. That's literally how long people work with it, and then they just quit. So, for the first 3 days, you will do your very best. You will visualize them talking to you. You'll visualize them giving you prince or princess treatment. You will think and affirm about them giving you the treating you in the best way possible, giving you the princess treatment. And then after, so in those 3 days, you will start seeing some kind of progress, like they start giving you some attention. And then after 3 days, you will just stop doing it. So, what happens after 3 days is that when you're in a good mood and you are affirming whenever you remember to affirm or visualize or script, whatever technique you use, the power is not in the technique, it's with you and your focus. Wherever you focus, that's where the energy will flow. So, on days where you remember to use a manifestation technique, they will treat you well. But on other days, when you let the 3D, when you let the world, and when you let circumstances determine your mental state, how you're thinking, what you're assuming, they will not pay attention to you. So, if you are following this example, the only reason your specific person is giving you hot and cold behavior is that you are being hot and cold with your manifestation techniques. It's as simple as that. Consistency, persistence, and discipline in your manifestation technique. If you're affirming, keep affirming. No skips, no skip days. Make it a promise with yourself. Set a reminder on your phone. No skip days. You have to affirm. And all you have to do, guys, by the way, is like 10 or 15 minutes of affirmations every single day. Is that too much to ask? I mean, are you even serious about your manifestation? If you find that spending 15 minutes a day affirming, or 10 minutes a day visualizing, or going to bed doing sats is too much, I mean, are you even serious about your manifestation? It's not too much to ask for, is it? So, think about that. Are you even serious about your manifestation if you cannot even spend 10 minutes or 15 minutes every single day, just that amount of time, actually focusing on what you want? Is it too much to ask? Are you serious? So, all you have to do is spend that 10-15 minutes of affirming, visualizing, scripting, SATs, whatever technique you use, whatever makes you feel good at the end of it, whatever makes you feel like, yeah, you've got it. And you do that, and the rest of the day, you focus on having a good mental diet. I'll link my video up here about mental diet. If you don't know what that is, you do your mental diet bit, you discipline yourself, you do your very best to stay in the state, and you keep yourself in the best mental state possible. That's all you have to do, and you will see your world turn around. Your person is such a small thing, people are such a small thing, like it's not even that big of a deal. You do this and you will see your person behave with you in the way you desire, but you've got to be persistent and you've got to be disciplined. In manifestation, what I've realized after, a lot of trial and error that I went through in the past 3 to 4 years, there's only one thing that you need to understand, and that is disciplined in having discipline in consistently doing your manifestation techniques. That's it. Doesn't matter what technique you use, it doesn't matter what affirmation you use, it doesn't matter which subliminal you are using, it doesn't matter. The technique doesn't matter, it's just a means to an end, the technique. What matters is your consistency, because ultimately every technique is going to change your belief, it's going to change your assumptions, and that change is what manifests. Your beliefs and assumptions manifest, your thoughts manifest. So get consistent, get disciplined if you are serious about your manifestation, and see your person change. And that's all you need to know. So I want you to comment, I promise to get consistent for at least 21 days, because that's what's going to change everything, right? And that is what I wanted to tell you today. So thank you so much for joining me here today. If you've watched this video till now, do subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, like this video, share this video, comment the keyword I gave you. And if you want to book a personal coaching with me, or you want to join my manifestation challenge, check the description box or my pinned comment in the comment section for all the details. And I will see you again real soon. Good luck. Bye.